Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As this is a new channel, I'll be doing something really amazing. So over the next weeks, or over the next 21 weeks, I'll be giving away 10,000 naira to one or two lucky winners every week. So stick with me till the end of this video in order to find out how to win these amazing prizes. Now let's head right in and I will show you how I was able to make 500,000 naira in less than 20 minutes. So the app we'll be using for this is called Fair Money. Fair Money is actually a fintech microfinance bank and a money lender. Most of you will know this app because a lot of people use it as a bank. Some other people use it to loan money from them. You know, all these regular loan apps that give you money. This one is a microfinance bank. So all you have to do, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can, if you don't have the app already, you can download this app and register. Once you register with this app, you do your KYC. KYC is known as know your customer. You just do it. Once you do it, you get verified on the app, and as soon as you get verified, the app gives you an account number that you'll be using, just like this one. So okay, once you get an account number from here, you can actually move money from your other banks into here, and once you transfer money, it comes to this your account here. It comes here. That is where the money gets to, but this is not the place that we will be using for this. So in this app, you can actually save on this app, and that is how you're going to make the money that I am talking about right now. So right now you will be using, this one is your account balance, this one is for loan, this one right here is for loan, then this one, this third one is for saving money. So you're going to watch from the start to the finish how I am going to make this 500k in less than 20 minutes right now. So stick with me till the end of this video and then learn how I was able to do this. So right now, the one we are going to be using right now is this particular one here. So I have this money here, so let me just show you right now how to move money into, because you have, for this one, you have 3 sections of this. The first section is called Fair Target. I don't use this. Then the second section is called Fair Save. Then the third section is called Fair Lock. This one, Fair Save and the Fair Lock, are the ones that I'm going to be using here. So if for any reason you leave your money in Fair Save, you put your money in Fair Save, every day that passes by, just like you see right here, you'll be having an interest. They'll be giving you an interest on a daily basis for every money that you leave in your Fair Save instead of in your normal bank account. So right now I am going to be showing you how this works. Then if you want to make this money, that means you're going to use the safe lock, the safe lock that is here right now, and this is how you're going to be doing it. Okay, so before you use the safe lock, you have to move the money in your account right now. It's just like you're making an investment. You have to move the money in your account from this account that it is in. You have to move it to Fair Save, and from Fair Save you now move it to your safe lock, where you will be making the money that I'm talking about. So let's move on to the next one so that you can see what I'm saying. Okay, right now I have about this amount in my account. I have about this amount here in my account, so I'm going to move this amount right now into my Fair Save so that I'll be able to do this straight away. So here is my Fair Save. I'll tap on it and it opens. It's loading right now. I don't know why the network is very slow, but I have to wait a bit for it to load. Okay, let's get back to into it. It has fully loaded right now. So what I will be doing now is to add the money from my account into this place right now. That is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to move the money from my account into the first save. Then from the first save, and I am now going to show you guys how I was able to do this. I was able to just make 500k in less than 20 minutes. Okay, here it is. So you can see the money in my account now is reading here. You can actually see that there is money there. So I will now tell them, I will enter the amount that I want to move into my first save right now. So here is the amount. I will click on continue. So once I click on continue, it will move the amount. Well done, you have added 200,000 to your first save balance. So it will move the amount right from my account to my first save account. This is very secure and very safe. I've been using this particular thing for over a year now, and I've never had any issues with it, because this app is actually an approved microfinance bank, approved by the CBN too, so you don't have any need to worry about anything regarding this app. You can see from here that the money has been added already into my first save balance. You can look at it right now and see from here that the money is already in my first save balance. So that is it. Then we'll move on to the next step. So here right now you can as well see it has been added here. So this is it. So right now the next step I'm going to do is now to come to this fair lock and then use this fair lock to now generate the amount I told you. I'm going to use this fair lock right now to now make the 500k that I told you, and this is how I made the money without stressing, without sweating. This money you're seeing, whatever you're seeing in green here, these are my profits. You can see how many percentage it increases per annum, how many percentage it increases per annum here. So these are my profit. Whatever you're seeing here is the profit that I made. So right now I am going to do the fair lock thing. So for you to do the fair lock thing, you have to create a plan. So you just click here, which is called create a plan. You head right here and click on it, create a plan. So once you head to create a plan, you will see I am going to enter the entire amount in my first save. That is what I'm going to use to do this thing right now, the entire amount in my first save. So here it says collect interest upfront. So I am basically going to click on this collect interest upfront, as in it has to turn green. You have to make it to turn green so that they can give you the money as soon as you're done with this particular process of locking the money. So but for you to know, once you lock this money, you will not have access to the money until the date of maybe 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180, 365 days. You will not have access to this money until that number of days. So right now I'm going to use this particular amount, the entire amount in the fair lock. So and then I'll click on collect interest upfront. So once I click on collect interest upfront, I will come here. Either I choose 7 days, 30, 60, 90, 180, 365. So but right here, what I'm going to use, the one that I would like to go for is the 365. So I've chosen the 365, and then here I'm going to change this particular place that says it's insufficient funds. So I'm going to change it because if you leave it like this, it's not going to work. So I will change it from this one to my first save. That is where it will work. So once I change this thing right now, what I will now do is to click on this continue. So this is it. This is the amount that I'm going to get straight away right now once I finish this process, and I'm going to do this process live so that you guys can see that it's actually real. It's not something that I'm making up, because it's real. So this is the amount I'll be getting once I complete this process. So, and remember, I chose this, but for you, you can choose any number of days: 7, 13, 16, 90, 180, you know. So you can choose any number of days that you want, but I've chosen to use this 365. So I will continue right now. Okay, right now I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to name it, give it a name, maybe number 3, or whatever you choose to name it as. Continue. So they will now tell you this is exactly what will happen, this is what you have. Yes, so once you confirm, then everything will go smoothly. So I'm going to confirm it right now. I accept. So I authorize this transaction. So I'm waiting for it to. So here it is done. The network was a little bit slow, so but it is done right now. So you can see from this that I have received about 500,000 just right now. So you can see this, and you can see the amount that I used to do this. This is real actually. So I'm going to prove to you guys that this money has entered my account. So let's head right there and I will show you. I don't know why network is a little bit too slow this night. I can't say for sure, but it's quite slow. Okay, you can see here it says right here, it says, okay, see, you can see, here it has been paid. This is it. So let me go back to my first save, because the money will go straight into my first save. Let me go back to my first save and show you guys. Okay, so here is the money in my first save. You can see the amount that was formerly in this first save has been moved to Fairlock, and see the amount that is in my first save. And to prove this, I can move the money to my account so that you guys will still see that this is no fake money actually. So I'm going to move this money right now, this amount right now. I'm going to move it into my account, my fair money account. So once you want to move it, this is how you do it. You go to click on this, and then tell them the amount you want to remove from it. Okay, here it is. So I will be moving this money out of here. Okay, successful. So let's head right into it and then see if actually this money has been moved into my firm money main account. Okay, you can see right here, you can see that the money has been moved into my account, and this money that has been moved into my account is actually transferable. In order to get this giveaway, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon, and tell me about your opinion about this video in the comment section below. That is all you have to do in order to win this amazing prize. So every week we are going to be giving away 10,000 naira to one or two lucky winners.